Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making one of my absolute favorites, which is sushi. The best thing about sushi is that it's easy to make and you get to choose whatever ingredients you want to add to your sushi roll. Today I'm making shrimp tempura, so my main ingredient is shrimp tempura. I buy mine from the store, but you can choose to make yours from scratch if you prefer. Since I buy mine pre-made, I follow the instructions on the box and fry it for about 2 minutes. I do this while my sushi rice is cooking in the rice cooker. I use about 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of water with a dash of salt and olive oil to make my rice. Once the rice is ready, I let it cool down. While the rice is cooling down, I make my rice vinegar and sugar mix. I heat the rice vinegar over medium heat and stir in the sugar until it completely dissolves. Once this is completed, I pour the mix over the rice and mix it all completely until it's well blended. Then I prep my bamboo sushi roller. I cover it with saran wrap to help keep it clean throughout the process because it can get messy rolling multiple rolls of sushi. So to prevent that, I do use a saran wrap. You can use a Ziploc bag if you have that. Once the roller is prepped, I grab a seaweed sheet and pat the rice on one side. You want to keep the layer of rice as thin as possible to make it easier to roll. Once you have covered one side with rice, flip it over and add your ingredients. I'm making my sushi with shrimp tempura, avocado, cucumber, and cream cheese. Once you've added all your ingredients, you then roll the sushi. Then once it's completely rolled, I use a saran wrap once again to help cut the sushi into smaller pieces, and that helps prevent it from falling apart or becoming too messy while I'm cutting. And just like that, you've officially made your first roll of sushi, and now it is ready to be served and eaten. Bon appetit! Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!